an everlasting dream. All of my collections, I'll share them all with you. Maybe by next summer we won't have changed